Hey everyone! Today I want to show you this awesome new AI tool called Ideogram that can help you generate t-shirt designs with text and graphics. To get started, go to ideogram.ai. I'll link it below. It's free to use right now, but you do have to join a waitlist. For me, it only took a couple days to get access. Once you log in, you'll see a really slick interface. It shows trending designs made by others to start getting ideas. When you click these, you can see the prompt used and remix any design. To create your own, type a prompt at the top right. Styles like typography and illustration can help. Put text in quotes. I'll do Happy Halloween with pumpkin and typography styles. You can pick square, vertical, or horizontal layouts. Square is good for print on demand. Hit generate, and it'll create the design. While that's working, you can start a new prompt, like keep grinding, with floral and illustration styles. It cues them up so you can churn out lots of concepts. In your profile, you can see old designs. The pumpkin text isn't fully perfect, but overall looks good. I'd maybe make happy bigger. If you like a style, you can remix it to refine the design. The floral keep grinding one has some nice layouts too. To use these, I remove backgrounds with clip drop and upscale and vectorize with vectorizer.ai. Links in description. This makes them high-res and editable. Then you can tweak colors, shapes, and export PNGs or SVG files to use the designs. Definitely check out Ideogram to create t-shirt graphics and more with AI.